my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious ice cream. So what we need can of condensed milk, we need cocoa powder, we need whipped cream, and optional, if you like to put cookies in it, coconut in it, walnut in it, and whatever you like, including we need vanilla. So what we have to do first, you put your dish into the freezer so it stays very nice and cold, because first what we have to do, we have to beat the cream. And we're going to make it really concentrated, like thick. I'm going to empty the cream. All right, we did the whipping cream. We whipped the cream. It's a liquid, of course. You see here, I'm sure everybody knows it's a whipping cream. What we have to do is we have to beat it and we have to make it nice and thick. So what we have to do now, we have to put this in refrigerator, in a freezer. We're gonna keep it cold. I'm gonna put this in a freezer so it stays nice and cold. We have to put condensed milk into the dish. We're gonna beat the milk. In the cream, we didn't put any sugar, anything, because the condensed milk already has plenty sugar in it. So we don't need sugar. What we need is the milk. We're gonna do the cacao in it, cocoa powder. Let's beat this. I'm gonna lower it and I'm gonna put cocoa powder in it. As much as you want. You wanna make chocolate darker, lighter, it's up to you. You just have to put it about, I'm gonna put about like 3 tablespoons. So it will be chocolate ice cream. All right, I'm gonna bring everything down together. Now, like I said, in this ice cream, you can put anything you want. Any kind of cookie, you can crush it. You can put coconut in it. Here's the chocolate that I crushed. If you want, you can put this. Different of kind, any kind of cookies, anything you want. You can put walnut in it. You can put whatever you want. You can put coconut. You can mix them together. Whatever your mouth taste likes to have it in it. But we're going to beat this now very nice so they will absorb together very well. Let me put a couple drop of vanilla, maybe spoon and a half, doesn't matter. Let's make slowly so they blend together gently. I think this is good enough. Now I'm gonna mix a little bit chocolate cookie in it. We're gonna mix it a little bit coconut too in it. So this is what we're doing. Now we get our cream and we put little at a time and we mix it. Usually you can put little bit at a time in a chocolate, makes it easier, and mix it. Don't mix it, just like twist it. Fold it together. And then we will have to put this in a freezer and your ice cream will be ready. And it's going to be very delicious. Even though you can put in a flat thing or whatever you want, but put it in a glass and put in a freezer. All right. Now once we finished, when it's ready, we're going to show you how good it is. We'll cover it with plastic nylon and we put in a freezer. All right, we're gonna be back and we're gonna see how good it's gonna be in few hours. All right, now we're back. The ice cream, it's ready, this is next day, and I had a guest, and I already offer them, and they really loved it, and it came really delicious. So one thing I want to say, that this ice cream doesn't need to be putting in a machine with the rock salt and this and this and that. Just the way I showed it, do it that way and put in a freezer, and you can make this with ice cream like a rocky road. You can do anything you want. You can put pistachio in it, you can put marshmallow, you can do all variety things in it. So this is the way it will show, which I put one over here for my husband and me again, so we can eat. And you put a little bit if you want to offer them whatever you have inside, the cookie or the coconut, you'll just put that on them, and this is the way you can offer your guests. It's very tasty, delicious, and I hope that you will try it and you're gonna love it. And if you like it, subscribe my channel and like, and I thank you very much. Do it. The kids, they will love it. Anytime they will eat. Summer is here. You're gonna enjoy it. Thank you again. Bye bye.